See, if you are a cessationist, if all you want is for the country to divide, and if you are supporting me on the basis that I'm bringing out the excesses of the North, but you are not comfortable when I bring out excesses in regards other places, please unfollow me. Don't follow me again. You can't condition me to say things the way you want to hear them or the way you want it to be. And if you think all my advocacy is actually all about a situation where I'll paint just the North black, that the North is the only problem and no problem, there's no problem in other sections of the country, please unfollow me. Why I'm saying this is because I'm getting to notice a trend here. I'm getting to notice a trend that I have a bunch of followers that are actually cessationists in nature, that are only interested in things that discredit the North, but things that promote we holding the present government accountable and being Nigerians is actually a problem. They don't want to hear that. If you are that type, please unfollow me, because I will disappoint you. And in this regards now, if I will put it straight to you, in as much as I say that the North is the problem of Nigeria, but that doesn't rule out the fact that there are problems in other places. Everybody have his own problem. But I have problem majorly with cessationism. Because me on my own part, if we are to talk on the basis of having a good Nigeria, on the basis of regionalism, then we can have a conversation, right? But if you are talking of you are better than these people, you are more educated, you are more enlightened, whatever, I will tell you it's a lie. In this vein now, I want to point out some certain things to everybody here. You see, one of the major problems as well, that the nation Nigeria is not growing in its entirety, is because to some certain extent, a good number of Igbos are cessationists in nature. They believe that the only thing that can bring about solution, changing this Nigerian narrative, is all about when they break the country. On that part, me and you were not on the same page. Because I believe collectively we can challenge these excesses, challenge these evils in love, and actually make a breakthrough. But if you don't think that way, I don't have any apologies to you. Just like I keep saying, nobody they feed me here, nobody they pay me here. On the part of the Igbos, I keep saying one of the two, there are two major problems. Is one, number one, they don't even believe that one Nigeria is possible even with regionalism. A good number of them believe that it's just breaking that will result in that. And secondly, let's talk about it. They are not interested. Another point is they are not much interested in politics as far as it's one Nigeria. Anything you just present with one Nigeria, whether regionalism, they just feel it no go work. And some of them are still carrying this archaic method of Ojuku fight them, Nnamdi Kanu can't talk am, another person can't talk am, they no like us for North, they no like us for Yoruba or whatever. Stop playing the victim mentality here. Let's put all this our effort to test in one place and see what will become of it. Another problem I get to observe in with the Igbos as well is the fact that a good number of them are actually money inclined. Money inclined. Everything is all about money. They just believe everything in life is all about money or whatever. And that is why even traditionally, culturally, you get to see the impact and the effect of having money and not having money, of which in the North you don't have that, right? So please, I'm just trying to say this. If you are coming here to think that I'm anti-North crusader, all I just think about is just the North to bring down North. I will only bring out the excesses of the North in regards making correction. And same I will bring out in regards every other region, right? So every other region should go and work on itself. Let's face it now. Why is it that a good number of these cessationists are not on the same page with their political leaders? Is it not amazing? You are talking another thing and your leaders are saying another thing. And you are making us believe now that the North or the whatever are the problem. So generally speaking, if you are my follower and you want us to be on the same page, drop the cessationist mentality. I'm not a cessationist. I can only bring out excesses in regards where we need to make corrections. And same with the Yorubas. The Yorubas I get to observe, in short, when Buhari doing own tribalism and nepotism, when Tinubu came on board, we now get to discover that tribalism was learning work under Tinubu. Tribalism, they learn work. But that is not my interest. My interest is collectively we can actually effect this change when we begin to see ourselves as one. On the part of the North, it's just religious fanaticism. That is the problem. Majorly religious fanaticism and some of these cultural practices that negate the general principle of what it requires for human being to live a normal life. So everybody have his own problem. But don't condition me to think, don't think that I'm a not Messiah. Just like I see in the comment section, deep in all the Northerners will be as wise as you, as smart as you, as intelligent as you. Nigeria will be a better place. My brother, there are a lot of enlightened and educated people in the North. Remove religious extremism out of this and I'll tell you that the North becomes a wonderful place. And even after saying this, I am telling you, if there's one place I can't trade for anything, I can't trade for anything, is the North. That is just it. Practically speaking, remove the religious extremism. I'm telling you, the North becomes a wonderful place. I'm not here to please you. I'm not here to say things that will sweet you for me to get followers or whatever. I don't give a damn about your followers. But collectively, we can change this nation. Collectively. Even if it means resorting to regional government or whatever as a result of our differences, but let it be. But when you come with your ideology of cessationists and trying to see that you have seen somebody that will paint the North black, I'll paint the North black and I'll paint every other region black. That is just it. Depending on the excesses you bring to me. And that is just it. So that is just what I have to tell you. So if this video disappoints you, there's no apologies to you. This is my stand and this is my person and there's nothing you will do to change that.